Today, I'll show you how you can enhance your Webflow site's standard contact form to not only collect customer queries, but also deliver valuable insights. Imagine a contact form that not only captures inquiries, but also enriches your customer profiles and triggers automated workflows based on user input. By integrating Webflow with BuildShip's powerful low-code backend, you can automate responses, gather deeper customer data, and even connect to various tools and databases. Let's dive in and start transforming that boring old form into something extraordinary. We'll start here in BuildShip with a brand new workflow. Hit the Add Trigger button and select the Webflow trigger. Authenticate and give BuildShip access to the Webflow site that contains the form you want to automate. Next, head to your Webflow dashboard. Go to your website's settings section, and right down the bottom of the general page is your site ID. Copy that and paste it in the site ID section of your Webflow trigger. For trigger type, select Form Submission, and filter you can leave blank for now. Once you hit Ship, this will create a webhook automatically in your Apps and Integrations section on your website. Down the bottom, you'll notice that there's a Form Submission API version 2 that links through to your BuildShip workflow. What does that mean? Well, if you publish your website and send a test contact form through, we'll be able to see all the fields that BuildShip now has access to that we can automate from. Once you send a contact form through, head to the logs and you'll see your first successful Webflow trigger. BuildShip gives you access to all the header data, but most importantly, it gives you access to this payload in the body with all of the fields that are included in your form. But now what? Well, this is where we get creative. BuildShip has hundreds of nodes and integrations to help you enrich this data or provide valuable insights. You could send the contact form message to your team's Slack channel or to a Discord server. You could even have one of the many generative AI models that BuildShip supports craft a draft response to your customer's message. But in this example, I'll show you how you can use the Apollo Enrich People Data node to get a deeper insight into who has sent you the contact form message. We have a detailed explainer video on how to set up the Apollo node, which I'll put in the description below. You just put in your API key, which you should have securely stored in BuildShip secrets, and then add in your customer's email that you get from your Webflow form. You get this from the payload under data email. So you simply select your Webflow trigger, payload, and then write .data.email. Add a return node. Hit Ship. Let's send a test contact form. If we head into the logs, you'll see the wealth of insights we're able to have on hand about our customer. When a user submits a contact query, Apollo provides comprehensive insights into the customer's profile, enhancing your ability to engage meaningfully. And with BuildShip, you can tie this further into whatever database or CMS you choose, helping you track and understand past interactions, predict future needs, or identify the most effective sales channels. With BuildShip, Webflow, and Apollo, you can ensure that every follow-up is informed and impactful, turning potential leads into loyal customers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks on automating your projects. Let's build it.